How to create account in DoorDash. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. Here you can see different options with which you can create a new account. You can directly log in with this phone number too and using Google, Facebook and Apple. Here I'm choosing continue with Facebook. So tap on it. Now you must have your Facebook application open and your account should be logged in. So this will directly connect it with the DoorDash account. So it's taking some time, and as you can see I've been connected and I'm in. So as you can see my profile has popped up. So this is the easiest way to log in DoorDash. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.